ready to laminate and lock in your brows. Is this the best brow gel ever? Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm doing a review on a new product from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I'm so excited, and it's a brow freeze gel. So you all probably remember brow freeze. I had it, I've tried it, I've used it, but it just didn't do it for me. It didn't really hold my brows in place. I have quite thick eyebrows and it just didn't do the lamination that I was expected. I already have some thoughts. I have been wearing this one yesterday the whole day, so I already know how it wears. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because most of you are not yet. And yeah, let's continue. As always, I like to talk about packaging. It's just so sleek, it's quite heavy, really luxurious, it looks luxurious. The price is quite high for a brow gel. I'm just putting that out there. The most interesting thing to me is the wand, like the brush, the spoolie, whatever. It's so similar to Benefit 24-hour brow gel. I do have it right here, so I'm gonna show you. It's a very similar brush. I'm quite happy with that because I have been loving my 24-hour brow gel from Benefit just because of that brush. The gel itself, it's nice, but it's like holding my brows really good for throughout the day, but it's not doing the lamination part. So I have been searching brow gel that would do that. The things that I want from my brow gel: that it can laminate my brows, that it holds throughout the day so that my brows won't move, also that it doesn't have any white cast to it, or that it doesn't crumble. That looks horrible if that happens to you. And also I don't want to feel it on my face. I don't want to have like that really tight, heavy brows. We should first use long bristle comb to separate and tame hair, and then we should use short bristle to shape and sculpt hairs into place. So first the long bristles. That was so easy and it looks fabulous already. And now I'm gonna use the short bristles to really set them in place. So my brows are really weird at the end, don't mind that. So you can see the difference now. And I feel that it really grabs the hairs, it places them. I don't know how, but this actually works for me because whatever I've tried before, it just didn't work. My hair are quite thick and heavy, and everything that I've used so far, it just didn't hold. It fell down quite quickly, like after 15 minutes or so. So you can see these. I mean, my brows have never looked better than just using this brow gel without even filling them in. And it's really nice because you don't get like too much of the product on the comb as well. That's also very like thoughtful. Now I'm gonna do my left one to just go through, and then I'm using the short bristles. Like immediately once I'm using short bristles, it laminates them. It really pushes them down. I would say that if you don't want to have that laminated look, just use long bristles. If you want a laminated look, use both or just short bristles. But I would use both to really get product into the brows. And then once it sets down, you can fill them in. I mean, you can also do that before, but then you can erase it with the brow gel, especially if you want laminated look. So I would go first with the brow gel and then with the brow pen. I mean, it works so good for me that for everyday use I don't even need to use any brow pen now. Like, for me this is enough. It looks fluffy, it looks like really, and it feels like it sets them in, like they are not going to move around, but it doesn't feel heavy or like really tight. So also that probably depends on how much you use the gel, so you really don't need to use a lot. Like with all brow gels, if you use too much, the product itself, the formula, it's so strong, you really just need the smallest amount ever. So I have been wearing brow gel yesterday from 8 a.m. sorry, to 8 p.m. and they were in place. That never happened to me before, so I'm so excited because I found my perfect brow gel. This is it. The only thing is that I have never tried the Refi one, but otherwise I've tried many and this is the best so far, in my opinion, for my brows at least. Like, they're not so bushy, but they are heavy. The best product to use it after is obviously brow pen. But I prefer micro brow pencil just because it's not that strong, it doesn't look that heavy. I have to find brow pen that it's going to be almost completely sheer. For me, all that I have tried before are just too pigmented and my brows then look very dark. I'm just gonna show you how this one works because you have gel on top, so the brow pen will glide on perfectly, but with brow pencil it can be a little bit tricky. But I'm just trying to go in the same direction as my brows are now combed. Okay, so I fill them in a little bit, and I mean, it's up to you. You can try to use, if you prefer using brow pencil, you can try to use it before applying brow gel and after, and decide for yourself. But in my opinion, it's just better to use it after if you don't need to draw your brows completely from scratch. This brow gel doesn't leave any white residue, it's not going to flake, crumble, it doesn't feel heavy or tight, and it eliminates even your heavy, thick brows, and it's going to last throughout the whole day. I'm not kidding you. This is not sponsored, not paid. I paid for this product myself. I love the packaging, I like the formula, I really like the comb. It's just perfect. So please comment down below, what do you think, if you have tried it? Do you like it or not? Does it work for you or not? Will you buy it? I'm very curious. And if you have any thoughts about my new camera, is it better than before? Please let me know. Okay, so have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you in my next one. Bye.